Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can hear me properly.
Yeah, I can hear
Thank you so much. Thank you for
you.
giving your
I
valuable
can't be on
time,
video.
and thank you for joining this meeting. If you
Of
don't mind,
course.
you
So,
you on your camera. We talk face to face.
sure. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Hi.
How you
Okay.
doing?
You're driving now.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Yeah. Before we can talk about your work, uh, now please tell me what is your need and what is your requirement from me.
So, I have two companies actually, and two clients that want to run some ads on Facebook,
Okay.
but they do not want a Facebook manager account.
Okay.
They just want to run the ads. So they want someone that has an account already, has everything. They'll pay you for the service, and they'll pay you to run it, and
Okay.
that's it.
Okay, understand. So you want to run your ads from my account, right? Then if you get good result, then you can
Yes.
create your account, then you can do all of everything, right?
Exactly. So they
Okay.
just want to just see how it is before they go into that whole space there. So that's where
Okay.
they're at now.
Okay.
That's it. Simple.
Okay. So basically, you want which type of camping? Like sales camping, leads camping,
Uh,
awareness camping, traffic camping?
uh,
Yeah.
like a traffic campaign because I know they're looking just to get traffic, or actually, you know what? The nonprofit is looking for traffic to the site,
Okay,
but the
understand.
other PR is looking for like leads
Okay, understand.
for new bids in the area, and it's in New Jersey, so it's not like it's a
Okay.
whole massive thing. It's in northern New Jersey. That's
Okay.
it. Just fine like that.
Okay, understand. No problem. So you target only New Jersey, and okay. Your daily budget is how much?
Um, I think collectively they're both about $30 a day.
$30.
Collectively, yeah, 30
How many days?
for the rest of the month well 30 days, 30 days, 30 days straight.
Oh, so you want 30 days for how many dollars spent?
30 days for an estimate of like $30. It's roughly that. I don't know the exact number yet, but around $30. I just want to make sure that we have someone that could do it before I start digging into the prices per day. So I mean, it's a long term. It's not like it's going to be only 30 days and that's it. No, we're this is going to be something that they would want to pursue for months on end and continue to do.
Okay, understand. So you want to spend your 30 USD for 1 month, right? Per day 1 USD.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, I can do it, but this dollar is very low for your country. This is paid camping. So if you spend more dollar, you can get more result. If you spend low dollar, then you can get low result. That is depend on you. No problem. I will work for you. I can do it. No problem.
So what would you need from us?
Uh, so for this work, I need your images, which image you want to run your ads, and then your website link. Okay, where the landing page, where the people click and visit. Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah.
And what's the cost of the service? Like, how much are you billing us for?
If you visit my Fiverr profile, then you can see my basic packages. If you want, you can choose my basic package for 20 USD for 1 ad setup.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Then I'll take a look. I didn't take a look at that, but I'll take a look at that and then just um and go from there.
So
That's fine with me. And then we will supply you with the ads, or do you want us to like? How do you want the ad to be set up so I know what to tell them?
no problem. I will set up all of everything, and then when complete, then I will send you a screenshot. Then you can see all of everything. Or if you want, no, you join with me on this type of Zoom meeting, then I can share my screen and I will show you all of everything. No problem.
Okay,
Accepting
that's
is done, then I will send you everyday screenshot. No problem.
okay. And then you'll send screenshot on the engagement rate and on all the other
Yeah,
good stuff.
all of everything. Yes, all of everything I will send you. No problem. So if you give me permission, then I will send you customer for on Fiverr.
Okay. Yeah, send it to me on Fiverr, and then we'll go from there. As
And
soon as I
another
stop
thing.
driving, then I'll take a look at it, and then
Okay.
we can go from there.
Okay, and another thing is at cost where you send me on Fiverr, because if you give me on Fiverr, then Fiverr have some cost. So if you send me 30 USD, then must be you need to like increase some budget, like 35 and 40 USD. Then I got 30 USD.
Oh, okay, because they take out their fee.
Yes, yes, yes. And if you want, no, you give me another way, then you can give me another way on this ad cost, and my service cost you give me on Fiverr. That is depend on you. If you want Fiverr based, then you send me. If you want,
That's fine. No, no, that's fine. That's fine. We can do the service costs on Fiverr, and then let me figure out another way to do it through the other some other way, so then you can
like
get
you
the
have,
actual cost
okay.
without a service fee
Yes, yes,
for there.
yes. I think it's better for you because here our cost is so low. It is better for you. And another method is if you want, you can give me on PayPal, Payoneer, Binance, Wise, this type of payment method.
That's fine.
Okay, can I give you customer for on Fiverr?
Yes, that's fine.
Oh,
Okay, sounds good.
yeah. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.
All right.
Have a nice day.
No problem.
Yeah.
You too.
Thank you so much. Okay. Bye bye.